If you're craving more flavor, less effort, and barely any dishes, stay right here because I'm sharing the ultimate secret to two tasty chicken dinners. First dish, chicken broccoli with garlic yogurt sauce, a great keto alternative. For this recipe, grab 2 pounds of either chicken breast or thighs or mixed. Cut them into small chunks. Do the best to trim any excess fat from the thighs. Next, you need 1 head of broccoli cut into small to medium sized florets, making sure they're uniform in size for even cooking. Now, let's make our garlic yogurt sauce while the chicken marinates. I'm using low fat Greek yogurt, but feel free to use fat free or full fat options depending on your preference. This recipe serves 4 to 6 and between 450 to 550 calories based on portion sizes and whether you're using fat-free or full-fat yogurt. Next recipe, a simple and flavorful cilantro lime chicken. This one serves 3 to 4 and calorie count is around 300. Very simple and tasty, quick dish. If you enjoyed these recipes, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast, flavorful, Mediterranean inspired meals, especially crafted for seniors and anyone who wants healthy cooking without the hassle. You'll find real flavor, smart tips, and creative twists in every dish, so don't miss what's cooking here every week. In the next video, I'll be sharing a classic favorite dish in a one-pan skillet form, which saves you plenty of time and hassle. So be sure to stay tuned and don't forget to check out my other videos while you're here. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.